Okay, I thought I'd do a quick unboxing of the actual unit itself here so you guys can see what I make my lamps out of. So this one's fresh from off the Amazon tree, freshly plucked. I think it was one of those free-range, grass-fed Chinese lamp kits. So wait, this lamp kit comes with everything you need to make a lamp. You get a nice LED filament bulb, you get a decent socket with a screw down top for the types of shades that screw on or to hold down the harp. It's a screw open socket for assembly. So all these parts are included in the kit. And most importantly, you get this little magic bag here. And this comes with everything you're going to need to drill into your glass bottle to make your lamp, except for the bottle itself and a little bit of plumber's putty. So I'm going to show you how we use this diamond bit here, little diamond abrasive bit, to drill into any bottle. I've drilled into wine bottles, whiskey bottles, aperitif bottles, soda bottles, beer bottles. I mean, this bit that comes with this kit is great. I've probably got 15 bottles off that one bit, and it's all included. So you have enough hardware to put together any types of cork stems you want. You only have one socket, so you just got to kind of measure which stem you want. I generally don't use their corks. I use the cork that either came with the wine bottle or the whiskey bottle. A lot of times they have a nice wood top, so I'll drill right through the middle instead of using the corks. But this makes it very easy. There's 3 different sizes you can pick from. And then you have your rod thread, nuts, washers, and they even give you a couple of little grommets that you can put through the wire. Comes with a pretty decent lamp cord with a switch. The switch is a little close to the end lead for my personal taste. If you're doing a big bottle, the switch is a little close, but it's a high quality UL listed cord, and then it comes with a nice high quality chrome harp. So you can, for this style of lampshade where you want to put it on top of that. If you haven't used one of these before, it's pretty simple. These little sleeves slide back. You just stick it in the ends there. After you put your light bulb in, these sleeves slide over to hold it in place. And that's how a lamp harp works. But you get all of this in the kit for under 20 bucks delivered if you're a Prime member. And it's everything you need to make a really cool bottle lamp. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make a bottle lamp now. But this kit, I highly recommend it. There's a link in my description. So far, the quality has been really good. People don't complain about any part of it at all. And you get a lot of little extra hardware. So as you continue to build these, you'll build up a collection of hardware where you don't need to go buy a kit. You might just pop up to your local big box store and buy just a socket or just another lamp cord to finish your next project.